How to download and install Football Manager 2024 on PC or laptop. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'll show you to download and install Football Manager on PC or laptop. First, make sure to download Steam application on your device and create account on it. Once you create an account and log into it, click on Store at top left corner of the screen. Once you click on Store, at top right corner of the screen, you will see the search bar. Simply click on search bar and type in Football Manager 2024. You will get the list of variety of options. Simply choose the first one and the best one. And then you will land over this page where you will get the option to add to cart. Simply click on add to cart button. And then you will land on the next page where you will see the option to purchase for myself. Click on purchase for myself. And after that, you need to purchase the game and select the drive you wish to install it. In order to get access, you have to click on library at the top left corner of the screen and you will get search bar where you have to write the Football Manager 2024, and after that you will easily see the game and you can easily play it on your PC or laptop. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then the like, share, comment and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.